Para malinis ka naman kasi ang dumi mo eh.
But it is also kind of refreshing.
Ay,
That could help me cool off.
ala. Hindi naman. Ano nangyari? Ano nangyari dito?
Good taste. Anything for you. I'm glad I could assist.
Decline.
Oh, nice.
Sa akin, pero ayoko.
I can already feel the good energy from here. I'd love to step
BR
in.
ka? Nag-BR ka pa talaga? Bawal BR dito.
I hope it helps you.
Sa ito. Ayan. Ay.
Oh, you need that.
May gagawin ka?
Sure. Go ahead.
What to?
No worries. I didn't really need that right now. I am not sure how that can be helpful.
May gagawin ka, no? Ano nga sinasabi ko eh. Kaya ka gumaganyan eh. Kasi may gagawin ka eh.
Guess I was
Gagawin
overdressed.
ka sa jowa mo eh. Mahal na manadrid yun ah.
It's a bit unexpected, but no worries. I didn't really need it right now. Here you go. I hope it helps you. It's a bit unexpected, but
So may mabibili tayo dito.
how that can be helpful. Found anything fun? This place has a great selection. Enjoy shopping. It hurts. Good taste. Good price for it. Come on. I am gonna. That is not you.
Ay! Ang ngiti ka pa talaga. Ang ngiti ka pa talaga. Ang ngiti ka pa talaga. Ay! Ayaw ah. Ayaw.
What do you need that for?
Para iba sa'yo po. Palo ka.
Next time,
Pwe,
learn
pwe.
some manners. Did you just do that? You're out of
Oo,
here.
alam. Baliw ka eh. Ikaw naman, huwag kang pupunta rito. At kalbo ka.
Try not to break it, idiot.
Doon ka ha. Baliw. Ikaw. Ikaw naman, dapat ganito ginagawa sa'yo. Danger ka pa dyan ha. Baliw ka naman eh.